What's going on? What's going on? Been a minute, been a while. It been a minute and it been a while. Say that 5 times. Hope everybody's doing good. Oh man, oh man. What an adventure with this car that I have. So today I'm finally installing my fog lights assembly. So this is actually what it look like. Finally getting it done. And the best thing about this is, oh my God, I'm sitting down. I gotta do a 360 somewhere, somehow. Perfect. So back there is my headlight, my fog lights. That's one installed. Here's the thing I had a problem with my fog light assembly. There's usually a bracket on these little pieces right here, right there, right? So instead of me trying to go buy another one, try to figure it out, try to buy the whole new assembly, which I probably might down the line, I decided to make my own bracket to hold it steady. Now, I don't know what made me come up with this idea. It actually came out pretty fly because that one is actually installed. So what I did was got like a little bracket clamp. So something like you go hold wires in. And so what I did was, excuse me, sorry, my hand's a little ashy. This is terrible. But anyway, I put super glue around the nut, as you can see. So what happens is, I'm gonna actually show you instead of me explaining. So pretty much what this car is. Too much spinning around. Sorry. It's been a while since I worked in my car. It's been crazy. Life been crazy with me. And so I'm gonna show you how that is. So that's how it is. Grind it. God. So what I have done was make enough, cut it out, make enough room. There you go. Make enough room that when I slide this in, it's going to settle. You might have to slide it back to make it even with that, but that's how it's gonna sit. And it will hold my fog lights actually in place. This is good because the drill that I have worked out perfect. I also carry a little blade just in case to get sharp corners and whatnot. But yeah, finally get it done. I'm happy to get it done. I'm tired of looking at it on my table. Where's my fog light? So yes, this is actually done. It's more better than my pieces of paint that's falling off. It will get repainted sometime next year. No rush, no time. Yeah. So this is what I was. So hopefully everybody's been crazy with this crazy weather. Sorry. I'm really having a tough day today. It's been one hell of a day. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how I install. Oh, I got a cheap selfie stick. That's why it's not staying still. Boom. So pretty much it goes like this. Hopefully it stays in place. See, when I was doing the other one, I had no problem installing, but sometimes you have to pretty much line it up. I'll do it. See it now. I might have to cut up a little bit more. Yeah. Maybe. Yeah. Nope. Yep, so this is how I made my own little bracket. Now going crazy. Yes. I got more stuff to talk about. But everything else I do to this, and it didn't take that long to do, so which is a good thing. Ay. Oh, there you go. Ugh, I'm about to stab myself with a screwdriver. And I think it's in there. Oh, it is in there. Yeah. Yes! It is in there. Nice and snug. It's in there. Now let's go see if these bad boys works. It should, because sorry about the noise. Seriously? So now wait. Uh-oh. That's not good. So one of two things happen. Oh, you know what it is? I got that one working. See? Oh, that one working, but that side is not working. So we got a fire problem with that one. That's a big no. So I think a fog. I'm pissed. Swear to God, you try to do stuff right, things don't really work out. But yes, my headlight still works, which is good. And that's how you make your little small bracket if you don't want to try and look for or buy a whole new. I'm so irritated now. Yes, so that little bracket I made was simple. You get a little nut that fits the screw, glue it up there. And that was easy. But yes, I finally got my fog lights in, which is super bright. Oh, actually, I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, see a little scratches, but it's all right. But yep, I re-spray paint that bad boy, and I still got to figure out why my headlight is not working. No. Thank you for watching. So, thank you for watching. I'm just tired. It's one of those weeks I've been really tired. But thank you for watching. I'm not complaining. Just, it's been a rough couple of days. So anyway, again, for the third time, thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, share, care, and all that good stuff. So the next thing too, I have some couple stuff I have to put on. Actually, I got some things, not things, but a little small gadget for this car. Yes, we have the strobe brake light. I got that going. I've actually purchased that. I gotta install that bad boy because I'm getting tired of people being on the highway and just bumper to bumper. I hate it. So I'm gonna fix them. So other than that, thank you again. Thank you for subscribing, thumbs up, share, care, all that good stuff. Deuces.